Hi, Dr. Ross Perry here. Just got a little cyst on my neck here. So Dr. Amy has been very kind and going to remove that for me today. So I'm going to be on the other side of the patient-doctor sort of relationship today. So let's see how it all goes. Having the blood flow anaesthetic, which is always in theory, the worst bit.
Okay, any allergies?
No allergies.
Good. So what we're going to do is going to pop a little bit of local anaesthetic there. Tiny little soft scratch, okay?
Okay.
1, 2. There you go. Going to fill it this thingy.
Okay.
I'm just going to take the sac out.